This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Morning everyone, this is video number 3 from our Excel course. I hope you find it well. In this video, we are going to show 3 more functions: count, COUNTIF, COUNTIFS. Count. This function returns how many numbers exist within a given range. Syntax as shown: equal count, and between two parentheses I give a range. So count, or this function, returns how many cells in this range contains numbers. Count A. This function returns how many cells filled with numbers or text within a given range. The same syntax here. Count blank. This function takes range and count how many cells are blank or empty. The same syntax here. So, for example, we have a serial of numbers and items. We ask 3 questions. The first question: how many serial number occurs? For this one, we use count function. For column PP, we have 8 serial numbers. Second question: how many items occurs? For this one, we use COUNTIF function. For column CC. The last question: how many items are blank? For this one, we use count blank function for column CC. Let's see it in Excel sheet. For the first question, how many serial number occurs, we use count function. For column PP. Second question: how many items occurs? For this one, we use COUNTIF function. For column CC. And for last one: how many items are blank? We use count blank function. For column CC. As shown, we have 871 for these questions. COUNTIF. This function returns how many cells filled with values that matches certain condition you define. Syntax as shown: equal COUNTIF, and between two parentheses I give 2 arguments. The first argument is a range. Second argument is a condition. So this function here search in cells in this range. How many cells in this range matches this condition? And this function returns the number of cells that matches. For example, here we want to summarize how many times class A occurred and class B occurred. First argument is the range PP, which contains classes. Second argument is a condition, which is text filled in cell E3, which is here class A. So this function here search in column PP how many times text A occurs. 1, 2, 3. Let's see it in Excel sheet. So we say equal COUNTIF, between two parentheses I say the range PP, so I tell Excel search in column PP. Search for what? For the value in cell E3. The value in E3 is A, so Excel search for text A in column PP. It happened 3 times. Copy and paste. Text B happened 2 times. COUNTIFS. Similar to COUNTIF, except it can take more than one range with criteria for each. Syntax is here. Equal COUNTIFS. and between two functions sequentially. I say range and condition, range and condition, and so on. You can get as many as ranges and condition you want. So for example here, we have items, classes, and quantity. We want to summarize how many times each class occurs, but take care. I want to count only the records that the quantity is greater than 7. So for this one, we use COUNTIFS function. The first argument is a range 1, which is column CC. Second argument is the condition for range 1, which is the value in F3. So Excel here will start counting how many cells in column CC contains the text in F3. So how many cells in CC contains class A. And also the second condition is, or the second range is column DD, which is quantities. And its condition is greater than 7. So 2 and 0 and 5 and 3 are ignored. For class A, it happened here with 70. This is the first time, and happened here with 77. This is second time. So we have 2 for class A, and 3 for class B, and 1 for class C. Let's see it in Excel sheets. So for class A, we start saying equal count if ifs. The first range is column CC containing classes, and its condition is the text in cell F3. Second range is the quantities in column DD, and its condition is greater than 7. Press enter, we have 2 here. Copy and paste, we have 3 and 1. So for column C, it happened one time that column C is greater than 7. This one is 0, this one is 5. So this one is ignored and this one is ignored. And only item 4, which count 91, is counted here 1. Thank you for watching this video and see you on next one.